What's up, guys? So this week has been busy. Been trying to get everything straightened out with the GSR, with the air conditioning and stuff. So I think today we're just gonna take the Kanjo EF up the mountain road, go for a little cruise, and yeah, it's gonna be a simple video this week. So yeah, all the free time I've had this weekend between everything else I had going on, I've been swapping almost all the air conditioning components out of this car to the GSR, so I can have AC because it's getting hot out, and I like to bring my dog everywhere I go, so helps her stay more comfortable. Anyways, let's check the oil, check the fluids, and hit the road. Look at that, didn't even burn a drop. All the way up to the top. Gonna hit up the car wash first because this thing is filthy. I want to get some decent pictures. This might come off because I use really cheap vinyl to test this, so we'll see what happens. So that's the first time I drove the car on the interstate in a while, going like 80, 85 miles an hour. And I have a little bit of a shake at like 80, 85. So probably imbalanced one of my tires from doing launches and stuff. But the road we go on anyways is slower than that, so I'm not worried about it. to stop out quick to get a couple pictures of the car. that's going to be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed just another little mountain cruise in the Civic. I know it's been kind of dull lately with building and working on the car, but like I said, everything's on hold right now until I get my truck situated. But anyways, if you like the video, I do appreciate a like. Subscribe if you want to stay up to date with the builds, projects, and follow my Instagram, Kanjo_brothers, if you want to see more pictures and my content throughout the week. I try to stay active on my stories and whatnot. Also, if you want merchandise, hit me up on Instagram as well. I have hoodies, stickers, and I got t-shirts right now. I have a test run of t-shirts I'm going to be selling, and I'm going to do 25 each shipped, I believe. So if you want any of that, message me on Instagram, and yeah, go from there. Anyways, I appreciate you guys watching. So I was just pulling the GSR back in the garage, and I figured for those of you that actually follow the channel and kind of follow my personal life in a sense, I guess, on like Instagram and all that, just figured I'd give you an actual update on the truck situation, because I know it's been frustrating. You keep watching my videos and I keep saying the same thing and probably wondering why it's taking so long. So am I. Basically what I can get from it, from talking to one of the mechanics or a couple of them, is the owner keeps putting a company's trucks ahead of mine because they spend more money there throughout the year. So anytime one of their trucks come in to get worked on, mine gets put aside. It puts, next week. So that's why it's taking so long, and it's very frustrating because I have the cash waiting for them to finish it, and all that needs to be done now is for the head to be put back on. So yeah, it's very frustrating. I'm gonna go there tomorrow, and if it's gonna be any longer, I'm just gonna take the truck somewhere else to get finished, or at this point take it here and do it. I got another vehicle in here it's gonna be blocking, which is why I don't have it here in the first place. But yeah, so just frustrating, and we'll see what happens.